Assalamualaikum and good day. In this video, I will explain to you about the transfer function. Okay, what is transfer function? Transfer function is defined as the Z transform of the impulse response Yn equal to Hn convolution with Xn. Okay, so we take the Z transform of both sides of the equation and use convolution property. Okay, from this expression, change it both sides to Z transform. So you will get Yz equal to Hz multiplied with Xz. Okay. You need to rearrange the above equation result in the ratio of Z transform of the output signal to the input signal. What is the output signal? Output is Yz, okay, Xz is the input. So Hz is the transfer function. Transfer function is equal to output over input. We go straight forward to the example of transfer function. Okay, for example 1, find the transfer function and the impulse response of a causal LTI system if the input to the system is Xn equal to negative 1 over 3 to the power of n un, and the output is Yn 3 equal to 3 negative 1 to the power of n un plus 1 over 3 to the power of n un. We have 3 steps here. So the first step is you need to find the Z transform of the input Xz and Yz. So just direct using the table of Z transform pairs, and then you will get this answer. Okay, for Xz, Xn here, negative 1 over 3 n un, you will get Z transform 1 over 1 plus 1 over 3 Z to the power of negative 1. Yz is come from this signal, impulse response signal Yn. You will get this Z transform for Yn here. Okay, and then we do the cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication, you will get Yz like this, Z bigger than 1. Step 2, solve for Hz. So Hz, we know that equal to output over input. So output is Y, come from here, and input is Xz. So you need to divide output, this is output, Yz, and this is input, Xz. Solve the equation above, simplify it, and then you will get this answer with ROC Z bigger than 1. And step 3, you need to solve for impulse response Hn, Hz A over 1 plus Z to the power of negative 1 plus B over 1 minus 1 over 3 Z negative 1. So impulse response from Z transform here, you need to use partial fraction method. Okay, apply to the Z transform here to get impulse response. So you need to cross multiply the equation, you will get this one, and compare the answer with the numerator here. Okay, this is the numerator. Okay, so you will get two different equations, negative 1 over 3a plus b equal to 4/3 and A plus B equal to 4. Okay, this one is 4. And then solve it using calculator. Two over 1 plus z to the power of negative 1 plus 2 over 1 minus 1/3 z negative 1. So impulse response, you will get Hn impulse response is this equation. Change using Z transform pairs tables. Okay, you will get this impulse response Hn. Okay, that's all for example 1. Okay, now we go to example 2 for transfer function. Find the impulse response Hn given the transfer function Hz equal to z squared plus 2z over z squared minus 3z plus 2. Okay. Now we have 4 steps here. The first step is the higher polynomial degree here is z squared for both numerator and denominator. So you need to apply these steps. The first one, you need to factorize the numerator. Okay, factorize the numerator, you will get z times z plus 2, and then bring z here to the left side to get this expression hz over z. So you will get like this. Z plus 2, after you bring z to the left side, only left z plus 2 over z squared minus 3z plus 2. Okay, now we need to apply step 2 partial fraction for this part only. So you will get like this, a over z minus 1 plus b over z minus 2. And then do cross multiplication and make a comparison with the left side. Okay, a plus b equal to 1, negative 2a minus b equal to 2. You get 2 equation. Use your calculator to find the value of a and b. And you get a equal to minus 3, b equal to 4. Substitute a and b into the equation, into this equation. So you will get like this one. Okay, now we go to step 3. Okay. Step 3, you need to send it back z to the right side. Before this, you have hz over z. Now you need to send it back to the right side. So you will get negative 3z over z minus 1 plus 4z over z minus 2. Okay. Step 4, you can apply inverse z transform. Okay. So the first term, if you apply inverse z transform using z transform pairs table, you will get this answer. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the first term, this is the second term. So the answer is the answer for impulse response is negative 3 un plus 4 times 2 to the power of n un. Okay, that's all. Thank you.